Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside the YouTube Studio mobile app. You sign in, then open the video you want to edit. This is the first actionable step. Once the video loads, tap Edit and choose Audio to access the music library. Make sure your phone storage and app permissions are enabled so selections save. If you don't see Edit, switch to the Studio app instead of regular YouTube. This gets you into the precise place to add library music quickly and correctly. Now you dig into the YouTube audio library inside the editor. You filter by genre, mood, or duration to narrow options, then tap a track to preview it with your video. Listen for clashes in tempo or level. Once you find a fit, use the trim handles to set the exact start and length, and lower or raise the track volume so dialogue stays clear. Because some tracks require attribution, check the license tag. This prevents strikes later. Finish by applying the music and saving your edits. You can either update the existing upload or export a new file. Once saved, play the video on a few devices to confirm levels and caption sync. Make sure speech remains intelligible and music isn't overpowering. If the track disappears or won't apply, first update or force close the app and clear cache, then re-log in. That simple troubleshooting often restores library access, so you can complete the publish step without losing your audio choices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.